Good evening, students and viewers. Today's topic is about friendship and enmity. In this many hours back, from the right beginning, human beings are keeping friendship. Sometimes that friendship turn to enmity, become enemies. Sometimes become better experience, they become enemies. Through business partners, sometimes brothers and sisters become enemy. Most of the enmity because of property dispute, land dispute, border dispute between two states of the country. Then invading the land, breaking the bylaws of the country. So they become enemies. Some people are simply become jealous with others and become enemy without any reason. So reason is simple, but very few people are interested to keep friendship with each other. Once you keep good friendship, don't demand anything from that person. Don't give any trouble. Don't visit every day. Visit once a while, so that friendship will develop. If you visit your friends every month, every week, that friendship will completely fade and cut off. Once in a blue moon, very rarely you visit. That friendship you can maintain for a long time. Not only that, don't expect anything from your friends. So if you expect anything from your friends, if they are not able to give, automatically you become enemy each other. That friendship cut off. So always make sure I only keeping good friendship. I want is tender love, and when in emergency I want is physical help or moral support. So if you keep like this friendship we can develop for and until the last. Many of the enemies we are making with our own wrong notions. Means, suppose you have 2 acres of land. Even though you are more greedy to capture more land from your neighbor, every day you are trying to invade and take out for something addition to your land, knowingly or unknowingly. So one day they will understand, then enmity started. So sometimes due to jealous also become enemy like that. Always remember, friendship is most important. When you have good friends, you feel like this world is like a heavenly feeling. If you are not a rich man, be the friend of a rich man. All cannot become rich man, but don't be jealous with rich man. The rich man, how he became? Through hard work, not luck. Foolish people believe we can achieve everything through luck. There is no meaning. Put your effort, work hard, then you can achieve success. Luck is only third priority. So if you study the history of richest people, they work hard to achieve that assets or property. From zero, the beginning, they reach the highest because of their hard work. There is no substitute for hard work. Through hard work you can enjoy, you can make everything. Enemy you are creating with your own time. If a negative word is enough, you can create enemy. If a sweet word is enough, you can make friendship. A sweet good morning, make positive energy everywhere. But you say negative words, that word wound the heart, that friend become or turn into enemy. it may be forever. Because the wound got wet and cannot be healed. So that will be the remain in the mind. So always don't expect anything from their friends. So let us keep the friendship with more hope. Means I have a good friend. He's a nice man, he's a nice guy. In that basis, you have to maintain friendship. Don't expect anything from this. Only sweet words. That's only. That is sweet and honeyed words will make the world better. This is my only request. Let us keep good friendship forever and ever. It shall remain forever. A good friend love you until the last. Okay? Have a nice evening.